In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Jira plugin in Outlook. If you manage work in Jira and live in your inbox, adding the Jira Cloud add-in to Outlook lets you bring those two worlds together so you can create or view issues right from an email thread and keep your projects moving without switching tabs. Start by opening a web browser and going to outlook.com. Sign into your account so you're looking at your Outlook on the web mailbox. These steps are designed for the web experience, and the layout should look familiar. Your folders on the left, your messages in the center, and controls up at the top. Next, click New Mail. This opens a fresh message window, and it's the easiest place to access the menu where add-ins live. Along the top of the Compose window, find the Insert option in the toolbar. Go ahead and click Insert. From the Insert menu, choose Apps. This opens the panel where Outlook surfaces any apps you can use while composing messages. If you haven't installed Jira yet, look for the option labeled Get Add-ins and click it. That takes you to the add-in store for Outlook on the web, where you can search and install trusted integrations. In the store, use the search box and type Jira Cloud. You're looking for the add-in called Jira Cloud, which is the official integration that connects Outlook to your Jira site. Selecting the right one matters because it ensures you get the features and support you expect. When you've found Jira Cloud, click Add. Outlook will confirm the installation and attach the add-in to your account. There's nothing else you need to configure here for the add-in to appear. Once it's added, return to your Compose window and you'll find Jira available under Apps in the Insert menu. The next time an email comes in that needs to become a ticket, you'll be able to open the Jira app from within Outlook, link the message, or start creating an issue, all without leaving your inbox. A couple quick pointers as you wrap up. If you don't immediately see apps or get add-ins, make sure you're in the New Mail Compose view in Outlook on the web and refresh the page after installation if needed. Also, depending on your organization's policies, some add-ins may require admin approval before they appear. That's it, simple and effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.